Buongiorno everyone, my name is Michael Blackwell, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your website with or without me. At least if you want to start learning what you can do and the pieces that you can put together, this video is going to help walk you through some of those basics. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you a sample website that I've made. Essentially think of this website as your own, and then I'm going to show you what you can do once you can log inside of it. So let's get started. Let me move my face across the screen here. So this is our website, aka your website, for sake of training. It's called Teach Meow. And if you scroll through, you'll see that we have everything from little backgrounds to call to actions, products. There's a plethora of options. It's a website. We can do anything. So first things first, I'm the realist. Let's log in here. So take your website domain name and type in /wp-admin. Oop. Okay, you'll see up here, WP-admin. It'll take you to a screen that looks just like this, or very similar at least. And you'll notice our top navigation changes. That's okay. Go ahead and log in with the administrative login credentials that I gave you. If you don't have these, you can click lost your password and figure it out that way. But once you log in, you'll see what's called the WordPress dashboard. This is the back end of your website. You will now notice though, if you go to your front end of your website, what I mean by this is front end is what people see. The back end is where people don't see, where we fix things. So this is the back end, and this is the front end. You'll notice if I reload the front end, now that I am logged in, we're going to get a new navigation bar at the top here. And that's only seen by administrators when they are logged in. We'll come back to that later, okay? So for now, you'll see on the left sidebar here, this is called a left sidebar, we have a list of options. Don't worry about the dashboard and home. That's as you are right now. If you have any updates, you will see a red icon here with a number, and that'll show you what updates need done. Posts. So these are if you have a blog, that's where you'll make your posts. I'm simplifying this for sake of an intro video, okay? So here you have your blog posts and also your blog categories. Media, this will be anything that you upload. Pages, I don't think I really got to get into that with you. The difference between pages and posts. Pages are things that you want on your website, like about, services, contact us. Posts are things that go in your blog, top 10 reasons why, 5 places to, stuff like that. What to do in the summer for pest control. Comments, if you have a blog and you are allowing people to make comments on them, you can moderate those comments here. Projects, you're going to disregard that. A majority of you are not going to be using that, but if you want to know what it is, well, why don't I teach you? It is a place where you can create a portfolio, projects that you've done. Basically, you can add different options to projects, case studies, to show people what you're doing and what you have done. Appearance, I'd rather that you not mess with this unless you talk to me. Really, please, you can really screw things up. This is why you should hire a web developers for the sections I'm asking you not to touch. I would block you from them, but this is your website. You should have full access to everything, and heaven forbid I die, you pass away, any one of us pass on. There should be multiple hands on the website to ensure that it doesn't go with us. So appearance, please, please, please do not mess with this, but if you need to, find some areas. The widgets, remember how this is a sidebar on the left side here? Well, on your homepage or on your website, you can have sidebars. And if you have a sidebar on any of those would be found under widgets. Menus, you can have multiple menus. On this site the site that you'll have, you'll probably have one at the top. This is where you'll edit that menu. This web page doesn't have any more, has one page, so the menu isn't really populated. Please don't mess with any of that. Plugins, I would really advise you not to mess with those either. Plugins are extra softwares that we have added to your website to help it function. So if you have, let's say, something that requires booking, like a yoga instructor or a massage parlor or a hotel, booking software, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. So what we normally do is we go and find plugins, other softwares that have been created for that purpose. We go through the safety checks and security checks, and we add those softwares to the website we built, and they work in tandem together to give you the outcome that you need. Please avoid this if you can. Users, simple as that. If you need to add someone, manage any kind of role editors there, that's fine. Tools, I would please avoid this unless you just want to check the site health. Settings, you can go through those on your own, and they're pretty self-explanatory. Whatever you do, do not touch the permalinks, this area, please. Discussion, actually, you really shouldn't be messing with any of that. There are some areas, I'll go to general here to show you, like the subtitle of the website. So this is teachmeow.com. It is Michael Blackwell's online recipe book with no ads ever. I don't think that's what this will stay, but this is a demo website. So you can change the admin email if you want people to register. That's a little more advanced. You can set your time zone, but I really prefer you stay out of that stuff. And or I'm an expert. I've been doing this for over 20 years, 15 as a business owner. Just reach out to me and ask me. I'm not going to charge you to talk to me. Just reach out and say, hey, what is this? Where can I fix this? Whatever. And now here's the custom theme that we've made for you. Granted, mine says custom Blackwell Rocks with a little Tarzan, but yours will say something for whatever your brand and whatever your website's purpose. So here, again, I would really recommend you avoid this. Please ask first. These are some options that we can have for editing the website. If you need to add your Facebook profile, your Twitter, Google, Instagram, and have those easily show, let's say, like down here in the footer, like down here. That's where those will be populated. Other than that, I really advise that you not mess with the theme customizer. That's where you can mess with some colors and some fonts. Again, you could really screw things up. So what I advise is this. If you want to make any edits to your website, just reach out first. That way what I can do is I can go back it up for you. And then that way if you screw anything up, we can go back to a previous moment. Some of you may already have a software that we put on your website called Backup Buddy, and this will do that for you. But a lot of you guys don't choose to purchase that option, and that's why we advise you to do it, is it can help back your website up in case you get hacked, in case you need to go back because you made an error and you don't know how to fix it. We do offer that service called Backup Buddy. So that's basically the gist of what the setup is. So what I'm going to show you here next, in the next video, is I'm going to show you how you can edit your first web page. So this is the basics of what the back end looks like and what the front end of the website looks like. And from here, I will show you how you can edit your first website so you can fix errors like this, the no results found. Okay, it'll be a very quick intro. I'm expecting you guys to play around a lot with it, but until then, we'll get in that in the next video. I'll see you there.